Okay, today I'm going to teach you how to use AND function by using if condition. AND function by using if condition. So last period I taught you how to return false for the criteria which does not meet condition, and how to return true for the condition for the criteria which meet the condition. But today I'm going to teach you if the condition if the criteria meet condition, you decide what to say, and if the criteria not meet the condition, also you decide what to say in your form. So if you want to decide if the criteria meet the condition, and if the criteria not meet the condition, you must use or add if logic function in AND form. Yeah. So let's say if and this one I2 is less than G2 is less than I2, comma, G2 is less than O2, bracket, comma, say okay. Otherwise, say not okay. So you are going to check if G2 is less than I2 and if G2 is less than O2. If both criteria meet the condition, the answer will be okay. But if all or one from this does not meet the condition, the answer will be not okay. Then close. Yes. So the answer is not okay. Why is not okay? Why the answer is not okay? Because G2 is less than I2. This one is false. G2 is greater than I2, so this one does not meet condition. G2 is less than O2. G2 less than O2, also not okay. So both these criteria does not meet the condition, so the answer is not okay. But if I change this one, let's say 45. If I return to my formula, G2 is less than I2. This one is true. This one meets the condition. But G2 is less than O2. So this one I2 is greater than O2. So this condition not meet, this criteria not meet the condition. So the answer will be not okay. Because in order to display true, all the criteria must meet the condition. Yeah, so in order to get okay, or in order to return true, is that if we check this one, 40, which is I2, is less than I2, it is true. But G2, this one, is greater than this one, is not less than O2. So I can change in my formula this one to say greater than. So now G2 is less than I2, it is true. Also G2 is greater than or true. Also it is true, so the result will be okay, like this one. So this is how we can do with and formula. But also I can change this one to be 50. Now this one is 40 is less than 45, but 40 is less than 50, while in my formula I used greater than. So I can change this one. So if I change this one, it means 40, which is G2, is less than I2. It is true. Also G2 is less than O2. Is less than O2. Yes. Also this one 40 is less than 50. So also the answer will be okay. Return true to this form. So this is how we can do. You can copy this formula in your worksheet, then edit your range so as to master any function by using if condition form. Subscribe in order to get more important videos from my channel. Also like, share and comment. Thank you.